afternoon, everyone. I'm ready to answer your questions. Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako. Papasalamat ako sa mga nagtiwala at bumoto sa aming party list, ML Party List. Those who took a chance on me, those who took a chance sa amin. Ang pakiusap ko lang ay hindi kami iwanan sa laban na ito because we need everyone when we push back harder, louder, and stronger for truth, for justice, for reforms, and for our beloved country. So, umpisa pa lang ho ito, panibagong pagsusubok na naman ito, panibagong hamon na naman po ito sa aking journey. Yung napakahaba yung naging journey ko, alam nyo naman yon. And here I am, back in Congress, this time as party list representative, and I'm more excited than ever. Thank you.